Beginning Tuesday, September 1st, 2020, President Trump's executive order deferring some employees' Social Security tax will go into effect. But what does this mean for you? Will your check be impacted? How much additional income can you expect to receive? Is the money yours to keep, or do you have to pay it back? And how long will the deferral last? In order to be eligible for the deferral, you have to make less than $4,000 biweekly, and your employer has to choose to offer the option. Even though an executive order was signed authorizing deferral, employers are not required to offer the option to employees at this time. Assuming you meet the criteria, you can expect to have a slightly larger paycheck through the end of the year, as you will be deferring the 6.2% Social Security tax that you are paying. For example, let's say your income is $30,000 per year and you're paid biweekly. In this case, you can expect an increase of around $71.54 per paycheck through the end of the year. It's very important to understand that this is not the same thing as the stimulus check many Americans received earlier this year, as this is only a deferral. As it stands right now, you would have to pay back all of the deferred taxes you received in 2020 within the first 4 months of 2021. If you do not pay the deferred taxes back by April 30th, 2021, interest and penalties will begin accruing. The Treasury and IRS have issued guidance with the expectation that your employer would withhold additional taxes in 2021 to make sure the deadline is met. What this means is that if you choose to pay the deferred taxes back over time, you will be paying more than the usual 6.2% Social Security tax until you finish paying back the 2020 deferrals, at which point your Social Security tax will drop back down to the usual 6.2% for the remainder of 2021. So remember, if you make less than $4,000 biweekly and your employer is participating, you should expect to receive a little more money in your check until the end of the year. Just don't forget, you're on the hook to pay it back next year. The best way to find out if you can take advantage of the deferral is to call your HR department and find out if your employer is offering the option. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. We'd love to hear your ideas on topics you'd like to see covered. As always, thanks for watching.